In this WP Engine review video, I'm going to be doing a complete review of WP Engine, going over everything from the pricing, plans, features, and customer support, all providing you with a website speed and performance test on a fully functioning WordPress website using WP Engine Managed WordPress Hosting. I provide the link to WP Engine in the description below, where you can get a WP Engine discount that will save you 20% off your WP Engine WordPress hosting purchase. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from WP Engine at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome WP Engine discount. Let's get started with the WP Engine review video. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit WP Engine. WP Engine was launched in 2010, and the hosting provider is built for WordPress and speed. WP Engine powers over 1.5 million websites across 150 countries. WP Engine is the #1 platform for WordPress and is one of the most trusted WordPress hosting providers. WP Engine is a web hosting company that offers managed WordPress hosting services along with WooCommerce hosting. WP Engine specializes in managed WordPress hosting. WP Engine even offers headless WordPress, which is a way to build lightning-fast, flexible websites using WordPress as the backend and modern front-end technologies like Node.js, Next.js, and React. This approach improves performance up to 10 times faster than traditional WordPress. WP Engine even has plans for agencies, developers, and enterprises. Some advantages of choosing WP Engine Managed Platform is WP Engine handles your hosting. They provide custom onboarding where you can kick off with top performance, guided by a dedicated onboarding manager for a seamless launch. You get on-demand expert support. WP Engine specialists are always available to optimize your site, resolve issues, and offer proactive advice. You'll save time and resources by letting WP Engine manage the hidden cost of your hosting, giving your team more freedom to focus on growth. Now I'm going to go over what makes WP Engine stand out when it comes to its managed WordPress hosting service by going over all the features. When it comes to performance, WP Engine is built for speed. WP Engine's system is designed to process hundreds of millions of hits per day effortlessly. WP Engine has you covered with cutting-edge technology like EverCache, WP Engine's custom-built caching solution designed specifically for WordPress. EverCache removes strain on servers by automatically caching static content on your site. EverCache is made up of WordPress-specific rules that are continually audited and updated. WP Engine increases your website speed by offering world-class hosting infrastructure, automatic WordPress and platform updates, run on the latest version of PHP, deliver content to your visitors fast, multiple caching layers, and core Web Vitals solution. WP Engine also offers insights on your site's performance and speed. WP Engine offers a free WordPress website tester where you can test your speed and get a report of your site's performance and security. You'll also get a global CDN with WP Engine with over 200 global CDN points, which delivers lightning-fast load times and seamless experiences, even under heavy traffic. WP Engine also provides automated WordPress and PHP updates with WP Engine. Whether you're running a personal blog or a high-traffic enterprise site, WP Engine ensures that your website runs up to 10 times faster than traditional hosting solutions. When it comes to customer support, WP Engine's award-winning team of experts has you covered. Continuously trained in the latest WordPress trends and WP Engine technology, they're available 24/7 to assist you via phone and chat whenever you need it. WP Engine has a 96% customer support satisfaction score. WP Engine also offers an FAQ page to help answer questions along with a resource page with helpful content. With the Helpful Support Center page where you can search for helpful guides and tutorials. WP Engine offers free WordPress migrations. With WP Engine's automated migration plugin, moving your site is quick and free, whether it's just one site or hundreds. The process takes less than an hour, and the WP Engine support team is available 24/7 to help you every step of the way. When it comes to security, WP Engine has you covered. WP Engine has robust security features, including DDoS protection, automated updates, and vulnerability scans to safeguard your site. WP Engine's security team constantly monitors risk and compliance trends, ensuring the platform stays secure. With annual SOC2 audits and ISO 27001 certification, your site meets two of the most stringent international security and compliance standards, giving you peace of mind. With WP Engine, you'll get auto-renewing SSL certificates and SSH access, security patching and plugin risk scans, and DDoS protection. Now let's take a look at the WP Engine WordPress hosting plans, going over the different plans offered in the pricing. WP Engine plans consist of the Lite plan, Startup plan, Professional plan, E-commerce Professional plan, which is a plan from their WooCommerce hosting. If you click the View All Plans button or scroll down to the plans, you'll see additional plans like the Growth plan and the Scale plan. If you go with an annual plan, you get the Lite plan at a discount for $13 a month, costing $150 for a year. The regular pricing is $180. If going with the monthly option, the Lite plan will cost $15 a month. If you go with an annual plan, you get the Startup plan at a discount for $20 a month, costing $240 for a year. The regular pricing is $360. If going with the monthly option, you get a discount and the Startup plan will cost $24 for the first month and then $30 after the first month. If you go with an annual plan, you get the Professional plan at a discount for $40 a month, costing $472 for a year. The regular pricing is $708. If going with the monthly option, you get a discount and the Professional plan will cost $47.20 for the first month and then $59 after the first month. If you go with an annual plan, you get the Growth plan at a discount for $77 a month, costing $920 for a year. The regular pricing is $1,380. If going with the monthly option, you get a discount and the Growth plan will cost $92 for the first month and then $115 after the first month. If you go with an annual plan, you get the Scale plan at a discount for $194 a month, costing $2,320 for a year. The regular pricing is $3,480. If going with the monthly option, you get a discount and the Scale plan will cost $232 for the first month and then $290 after the first month. Now let's cover the features of the 4 WordPress hosting plans. All plans come with a 60-day money-back guarantee, threat blocking and WordPress security, site speed boost with EverCache, advanced network CDN, free automated migration plugin, dev, stage, production environments, managed WP and PHP updates, daily and on-demand backups, free SSL and SSH certificates, flexible site copy tools, transferable sites for easy client handoff, activity log and advanced user permissions, annual SOC2 audits and ISO 27001 certification, Git and SFTP access, SSO and multi-factor password authentication, WP Engine Platform API, local developer tools, and 10 premium WordPress themes. When it comes to site building, each plan comes with 10 premium themes, Genesis blocks for easy site creation, one-click staging in dev environments and transferable sites for client handoff. The Lite plan comes with one website, 5,000 monthly visits, 5 GB of local storage, and 20 GB of bandwidth. The Startup plan comes with one website, 25,000 monthly visits, 10 GB of local storage, and 75 GB of bandwidth. The Professional plan comes with 3 websites, 75,000 monthly visits, 15 GB of local storage, and 150 GB of bandwidth. The Growth plan comes with 10 websites, 100,000 monthly visits, 20 GB of local storage, and 240 GB of bandwidth. The Scale plan comes with 30 websites, 400,000 monthly visits, 50 GB of local storage, and 550 GB of bandwidth. When it comes to the backend and control panel of WP Engine, once signed up, this is what the WP Engine control panel looks like. You can easily access different things within the panel. You can easily access your sites. From the site overview page, you can easily access different things with your website. Now let's go over the site speed and performance of WP Engine. For this test, I used a fully functioning WordPress website so you can see how a fully functioning website will perform. The site loaded on average 622 milliseconds. great website performance. I also did a performance test, and here's the results with all the different locations. You'll see the DNS speed, time to connect, TLS, and time to first byte. Great performance. When it comes to fast and reliable WordPress hosting, WP Engine stands out as a top choice when it comes to managed WordPress hosting. From blazing fast performance and top-tier security to 24/7 expert support and seamless site migrations, they designed a platform that allows you to focus on growing your business while they handle the rest. If you're looking for a hosting provider that combines power, reliability, and ease of use, WP Engine is the way to go. I hope you enjoyed this WP Engine review and tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment, letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WP Engine tutorial videos.